Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unzip WinRAR files. So let's have a look now. Locate the WinRAR Archive file on your computer. Typically, it will have a RAR or zip icon. Double-click on the WinRAR Archive file to open it using the WinRAR application. This action will display the contents of the archive within the WinRAR window. Inside the WinRAR window, browse through the contents and select the files or folders you wish to extract. You can do this by clicking on them individually or holding down the Ctrl key and clicking to select multiple items. After selecting the files, click on the Extract To button located in the toolbar or navigate to the Extract To option in the menu bar. This will prompt a dialog box. In the dialog box, choose the destination where you want the extracted files to be saved. You can navigate to an existing folder. Once the destination is set, click OK or Extract to begin the extraction process. WinRAR will start extracting the selected files to the specified location. Allow WinRAR to complete the extraction process. Depending on the file size and number of files, this might take a few moments. After the extraction is complete, navigate to the destination folder you chose earlier. You will find the extracted files and folders there. And there you have it. You have successfully extracted files from a WinRAR archive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tutorials and feel free to drop any question or suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.